apocalypse.
Alright. Game starts in 3, 2, 1, go, 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 go.
Yeah, we're winning, chat. Chat, I think we're winning. They're not even pushing.
5 minutes, 5 minutes. Let's go, guys. 5 minutes.
Bro, they're not even pushing. I'm gonna wait for him to run up. Tree, tree, tree. Oopsie. Get them, boys.
4 minutes, 4 minutes.
Wait, where's respawn? Yo, where's respawn? Bro, where's respawn?
Huh?
Respawn.
Oh, right there.
Alright. I think we're winning this. Bro, they're getting blasted. This is too easy.
I've never had so much fun.
You know what? I'm gonna wait so they can rush up. I want to get more kills.
What?
I want them to rush up more.
Good, I'm gonna wait.
I'm gonna wait.
Dude, I want to pull out of just some random kid.
Same. I already did. I saw this guy who was like running away hard.
Yo, come on, guys.
Hey, I'm in the street. You guys are lighting me up.
Oh, no.
No, I'm waiting. I'm waiting. I want them to push up
Oh,
more
no.
so I can actually see them. I can't see them, so.
What just happened?
What?
My
You good?
binary stopped.
Oh, that's weird.
Bro, you guys were lining me up in the tree.
Oh, my bad.
Oh wait, there's no one at the tree.
Yeah, bro.
Can you go back?
I'm trying to get down there.
Oh, you can go down there?
I think so.
Run it then.
Wait.
Yeah, they're running up. They're running up. They're like close. Just use full auto.
Hey, last shield right here.
Ah, hit. Oh, my flashlight's not working. I gotta get a new one. Dude, they're just not pushing up.
I literally have to redo my whole gun.
See, look at this. You saw that?
Oh my fucking god. Instagram.
You're good. They're not even pushing.
Kinda good.
It might be your battery just unplug and replug, you know?
45 seconds.
That's what I do.
We're getting pushed now. They're all coming.
Yeah. Oh.
Is it working?
No.
Whatever. Do it later, you know?
Yeah.
30 seconds. 30
Here they come, here they come.
Okay.
They're all right there, they're all right there. In West Bush. Right there, right there. All
Where?
in Bush.
I see him.
All in the bush.
Yeah. Here they come. Oh shit, there's riot shield.